Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In last videos, we have covered the question till question 50. Now in this series, we will cover the remaining 50 questions. This is the DU MSc Forensic Science question paper 2018. We are discussing the question 51. Question 51 is the lead pencil contain which of the following? And pencil contains the graphite. Graphite is the right answer. Then the Calvin Goddard and the Phillips Gravel modernized the forensic examination of firearms by inventing the comparison microscope. Answer 4 is the correct one. The iodine fumes adhere to this type of fingerprint residue and it adheres with the lipid and fat. Lipid and fat is the right answer. Then the question 54, integrated automated fingerprint identification system is the national fingerprint database maintained by the FBI. Which answers second is the correct option. Specify the number of tri-radius in a loop, and the tri-radius contains the only one loop. Okay. Question 56. The polygraph is an assistive techniques for the investigative processes. And the Planck's constant, another question is from the Planck's constant physics part, and it is very easy. And it relates the energy of a photons of a light to its frequency. Okay, Planck's constant relates the energy of a photons of a light to its frequency. And the next question 58, here is ninhydrin reacts with what type of fingerprint residue? And the ninhydrin reacts with the amino acids. Okay, in last video I have asked the question that the ninhydrin react with the which amino acid to give the if it reacts with the proline, what it gives and type of color. The answer is the yellow color. Okay, otherwise it gives the violet color to all the other amino acids. Question 59, which one is linked with the cephalic index? And cephalic index is related with the brachycephaly. Answer 4 is the correct. Question 60, which of the following is a type of non-impact printer? And the non-impact printers are the laser printers. Next question 61, which of the following cannot be used as a source of IR radiation? IR radiation, in this the mercury arc cannot be used as a IR radiation, whereas tungsten lamp, nurse glower and the lamp can be used as a IR source. Another question 62, here is the toxicologist detects and identify drugs and poison detects in the body and the tissues also and in the organs also. So the answer is correct option 4, that is all of these. Question 63, a delinquency offense can be defined as, and this delinquency offense is the offense that is committed by the minor for which an adult could be prosecuted in the criminal court, and it is committed by the minor but the adult could be prosecuted in the criminal court, and the answer is the first. Question 64, the person having antigen B. Antigen B on the surface of the RBC. If it has the antigen B, which type of blood group it has? If it has the antigen B, it has the blood group B. If I have antigen A, it has the blood group A. If I have no antigens, then give me the answer in the comment. What is the answer for it? Is it the blood group AB or O? Next question, question 65. Practice of untouchability is prohibited by, it is prohibited under the Article 17. Answer is the fourth option. And the next question, question 66. After birth, human baby grows and it grows with different differential rate. It cannot be determined whether it is growing at the differential rates. Okay. Next question is the question 67. Maximum nasal breath is measured using which of the following landmarks? And the maximum nasal breath is measured by the alari. Option 1 is the correct option. Maximum cranial length can be measured using which of the following landmark? Now there is a maximum cranial length. Earlier it has questioned about the nasal breath and now the cranial length, and it is done using the option B, glabella and the obstocranium. Question 69. Among following, who is known as the father of criminal detection? Criminal 3 is the correct answer. It is the Alphonse Britton. Question 70. It is the human trafficking is which of the following type of crime? Is it a violent crime, it is a property crime, or a hate crime, and or the organized crime? And it comes under the organized crime. Question number 71. Ecstasy is the alternate term used for the following, and it is the correct answer is the 3,4 methylene methamphetamine MDMA. And the question 72 is the role of a forensic anthropologist is to, here is the it uses the assertion the mode of the death, assertion the time of the death, and also for the facial recognition. So the option 1 is the correct answer, all of these. Question 73. The comparison microscope consists of, and it consists of a two compound microscope. Question 74. Human being has the following number of chromosomes, and the humans have the 23 pairs of the chromosome. So 74 option 1 is the correct. In 75th questions, a developing intellectual method which emphasizes gender issues in a criminology is called, and it is called the feminist criminology. And in this we have discussed so far the 75 question. Remaining 25 question we will discuss in the upcoming video. So be healthy. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel.